I should finish this fucking book before I leave here. It's not even, that big. But it's like something that I want to make sure I'm really paying attention to. And then, even then, I don't know if I'm going to like part with it. Now, I told you guys that I worked it into my contract that I can leave things behind in this house when I leave here, and she will not bill me for trash removal. Did you hear that? That's my fucking jaw. Excuse me. Now, I have to say, I'm not going to be talking about every single fucking thing I pull out of my fucking box, but, I realized when I was traveling that my bags are kind of heavy. But, so that's like the thing. It's like, well, do I want a sturdy, heavy-duty, reliable, good construction bag? Like a ballistic fucking, my digi bag. That shit is hardcore. It can haul a lot of weight, It's not gonna take a shit on me, alright? Yeah, I was gonna say, just like the way I talk, I think you can tell by now that I have a marine potty mouth. And look, I'm really proud of myself that I traveled for so long and I still have these glass straws intact. So I'm happy about that. Although I just kind of like gave up on the fucking money spell. I mean, I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, I was trying to do a money spell, and it required a gold candle and bergamot oil, but how many fucking money spells do I need to do? I already have everything I want. If I already have all my desires, then I wouldn't need to listen to subliminals. I wouldn't need to do anything. I would just be enjoying my fucking life, and I would be shooting not safe for work content. I'm just being honest with, my own team of drop dead gorgeous people. Alright, finally I have my clock. Now I just have to set it, right? So if I have a clock, then I shouldn't have to waste money to buy another one. But it's like I just like to be comfortable. I just like to have things, right? And then, but I keep telling you guys my situation. Look, this is my incense holder. So it was long, and then I just like chopped off most of it. I keep telling you guys, I just have to figure out where I can cut some fat, trim the fat, cut some weight out of my heavy ass luggage. After a while, it's just like you just don't want to fucking carry anything seriously. So yeah, this bag itself, the bag itself feels heavy, just like the digi bag. That digi bag is really fucking heavy. This hoodie. Now I've already cut off the sleeves. I already told you that I cut the sleeves a little bit because I cut off the cuff part. But this hoodie feels heavy. I got it from my mom, so that's free. Another heavy bag. This is Vera Bradley, but I took their rubber fucking name tag off. It was sewn on right here. So rubber, it's fucking heavy. Now ribbed tank, right? Anything that is ribbed is heavy. Because look, it's stretchy. It's just extra material. Plus the crystals. Now, I don't know if I should just like, here, let's be honest. I am too lazy to hand wash this shit. But you already saw my other shirts. The crystal rhinestones, they got fucked up. More hats for my dolls. I got too much shit, you guys. A mirror, right? So this is my mirror, and it would be nice to have a long body, fucking, full length mirror. But like I keep saying, that's just something that I would consider at this point to be a waste of money. Look, see, so I guess once I can like unfuck the house a little bit more, then I'm gonna do more mirror stuff because I'm so conceited. I'm so full of myself. I think this was a really cheap mirror too. This is my favorite thing. One of my favorite things. These fucking string lights. Because maybe I'm just sensitive to light. Or maybe I used to smoke too much weed. But at nighttime, well, I mean, if I'm using these, because I think I showed you guys my lamp, right? The Cambodian lamp that I have. I don't like it. It looks kind of scary looking. So instead of using that fucking thing, I'm just gonna use these. I already have batteries, so now this one I think is the multicolored one. Because the one that I have right now is only white. And look, time flies by when I'm recording.